What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are well after today's crazy day in the markets with Powell indicating that the Fed could start raising interest rates as soon as March and is also going to start doing the reduction of its balance sheet. So let me tell you guys, we're in for a crazy ride. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the continuation of our Elliott wave count, answer the question if we're going to see further downside in the markets, and what should we expect coming into the last 2 days of the trading week. All right, guys, so before we dive into the analysis, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload these videos. Alternatively, you can join Trending Waves. The link to the Discord group is pinned down in the comments section. So we're going to start off with the daily time frame, and yeah, we're still hovering right underneath the 200-day period moving average, and as suggested yesterday, we wanted to see it do exactly what it did today. Now we are rejecting it, and we're still within a sort of range where the bulls and the bears are trying to either claim the 200-day period moving average by the bulls or reject it and take us lower by the bears. Okay, so let's dive down into the 1 hour, actually the 30-minute time frame, and we're going to dissect price action from our January the 4th high, because that's exactly what we're looking at right now. We're looking at the makings of 5 waves, right? 1, 2, 3, potential 4, and then the final 5th on their way down. Okay, so let's go down to a 30-minute time frame. Let's turn on our labels and let's hide our 200 our 200-day period moving average. Okay, so from our, let's take a look here, from our November the 22nd high, it's been in consolidation for quite some time now, right? Pretty much a headache. So we got our first A wave, 3-wave pullback into the B. All right, we then have the wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, final third, our 4th, okay, and then our final 5th to complete the 3rd wave of the minor degree. Okay, now we are still well within the bounds of our projected wave 4 pullback, which is anywhere between the 23.6 and 38.2% retracement. And this retracement is sourced from, I'll take you back up to the daily time frame. It's sourced from excuse me, from the low of wave 2 to the high of wave 3, and you see that that's still a range. So even though we have an extended C wave, all right, we're still within the bounds of a wave 4 pullback. So back down to the 30-minute time frame. Excuse me. That was crazy. All right, so yesterday we were reviewing the following. Okay, we wanted to see price action, bounce back up in 3-wave format, okay, to look for this wave 4 pullback. Now it's been doing that to the T. Okay, we're still looking for the 50% to 38% retracement resistance. Okay, and now we're looking to have wave C completed or wave 4. So the question is, did we just complete wave 4 and are we going to head on lower? That is possible, okay, because we have wave 4, okay, pair up to its counterpart of its corrective counterpart of the wave 2. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're looking for the final 5th. Okay, however, there's still a possibility that we may get, because this was a directional wave 2, there's a chance that we might get a sideways corrective wave 4. Okay, even though this looks a bit sideways, right? Okay, and this looks directional, we may have wave C still ongoing, sorry, wave B still ongoing, and we may just have well completed. Okay, and then we're going to pull up into the wave C. Okay, find resistance between the zone. As you may know, we have invalidation right above the low of wave 1, because we can't retrace beyond that territory, right? Beyond that point in the wave 4 is an Elliott wave guideline. So should this still be the count or the case, right, we're still going to be heading on lower. Now, yesterday, I was also touching base on one thing, right? We are looking for some sort of divergence. Now, from our lows here on January the 24th, right, we got a pullback, right? We got a pullback that retraces this entire decline. Okay, so in doing so, we got our RSI pushing up higher. Now, what we want to see, should this be the wave 4 completion, we want to see, like we talked about yesterday, we want to see price action, or the RSI rather, hold some zone around here, ideally the zone that I've highlighted in blue. Okay, we want to see that zone hold while price action breaks, yes, January 24th low. So we want to see, right, A, B, and C, and now we want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, and final 5th to close out the overall 5th wave of wave C of wave 4. At which point RSI has made a new higher low, price action makes a lower low, breaks the previous low here, that's a positive divergence, okay? And then we may see the wave 5 completed. Until then, we're still holding on to that idea, and that is our game plan. We still have a little bit more ways to go, although the indications reflect that we may see further price action go further on lower. Okay. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. Let's see where divergence, if any, at the moment is still looking positive, right? We're still looking for price action to head on lower. I mean, this pullback that we got here during the Fed meeting today was pretty deep, right? I mean, we can't count this. There's no 5 waves here to count as an impulsive structure, right? To the 1, to the 2, to the 3, to the 4, to the 5. Okay, there's not. I don't see it, right? I mean, I may be wrong, but I just don't see it yet. So we're still waiting. Okay, guys. All right. So I'm gonna take you to the Qs, and let's take a look at the Qs here. Now, the Qs also, you know, we're still looking for the same thing, right? So out of the November 22nd high, we have our 3 waves, W, X, and we have our final Y. Okay, so we have A, B, and C, and within C we have 5 waves. So we're looking for the wave 3 completion here at 38.2%. No, sorry, my apologies. The wave 3 completed, okay, back here on January 24th. We get a wave 4 pullback, which was at least a bit north of the 50 to the 618. Okay, again, we're still within south of the wave 1 low, which is still valid. Okay, and now we're looking for our final 5th down. Again, RSI needs to hold up these highs. Okay, price action needs to make a new low, and that is a positive divergence. Okay, guys, I think that's pretty much it for now. Let's take a quick look at the rest. Actually, yeah, let's take a quick look at the rest of the indices here. I haven't really touched base on any of these charts. I'll have to work on these again, but we're still within the wave 3, W, X, Y, A, B, C, pull back down into the wave 4. This is still an ongoing correction. Okay, and semis, we may see wave C still heading on lower. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Let's reset scale, and yeah, I think that's still the case for semis, right? We have the, let's take a look here. We have 1, 2, 3, directional 4, and then 5th. All right, guys, so we're still looking for more lows here. IWM, same deal out of our B wave high. Okay, the 3rd wave completed here on November the 8th. We have our A, our B, our C, which is holding at least the 100% retracement or extension rather of wave A versus wave C, but we may get down to the 1618. Okay, if that's the case, then wave C should yield somewhere. Let's take a look. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and final 5th. So let's take a quick look here. Let's zoom in. Let's delete this and let's count here real quick with us. So we have our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, our 5. Let's see if it met certain criteria, right? So the wave 2 came in at the 50% retracement, which is appropriate. Okay, wave 1 to wave 2, we have, let me delete this. Let's go here. Wave 1, sorry. We're looking for the wave 3, right, to see where it landed within the Fib ratio. So wave 1 to the 2 to the wave 1 to the 2 to the 3. We're at least south of between this 1618 and the 200, which is appropriate. And now we were looking for the wave 4 pullback, and that is going to be a retracement from the high wave 2 to the low, and that's going to be a 50% retracement, anything between 30 and 50. So we found rejection, well, resistance rather, between the 38 and the 50, and now we're looking on lower. Now, because we potentially have a wave 4 pullback completed, okay, we can try to project where the wave C is going to go. Now, the wave 5. So we could do it one of two ways. We can take a fib extension from the low of wave 1 to the high of wave 4, okay, and we're gonna look at the 100% extension, and that's going to be where'd it go? Here we go. Did I turn it on? Yeah, I did turn it on. Oh, it's somewhere here. Right. Oh, there it is. Okay, so as you can see, now this is gone. So a 100% of wave 1 to the wave 5 will come in at 189. So it's confirming because we are breaking this low. The other way we can do it, guys, is we can take from wave 2 to wave 3, project it to the wave 4, and we get another 100%. So this zone here is where I'll be looking for a potential pullback. Okay, a potential zone here, a pullback, and then we go. So a lot of these charts are still showing signs of further downside. Okay, we're still showing signs of more price action heading on lower. We have to wait actually for the low to for this break of this low here. Okay, guys. Additionally, what we can do here is that we can take a channel from the low here to the high here, right? So we'll do the 1, 3, and 4 Elliott wave channel to find where the fifth is probably going to go. So we have the 1, the 3, the 4, and the final fifth should come anywhere between somewhere here. All right, which comes in confluence, right? We have an intersection between these two zones. Okay. All right, guys. So I hope that this is useful. I can't wait to see what's going to happen tomorrow and the day after and next week, as the markets still need to digest the entire whatever happened to them. Not whatever happened. What happened today with the FOMC meeting minutes. Okay, guys. So leave a comment down if you have any questions in the comment section. Join Trending Waves. The link to the Discord group is pinned down in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.